All right, guys, today is tile. We begin tile, 2 foot by 4 foot. Let's show you our setup. Trailers here, demo is done. We are taking some of the real estate up in their garage. 2 big tile boxes, a little unorganized, but we'll organize it later today. And here is our station. We have our snapper, 36-inch, as well as the D36000 for our very large tiles. Let's quickly show you. So here we are, subtle veins and movement. But in order to cut these big tiles, you need a big tile cutter. D36000 is probably the best big tile cutter on the market. DeWalt is just extremely reliable, and most pros have this saw here. Let's get to sticking, mix up some thin set, and hopefully complete 90% of the shower today. We'll be using, as per usual, Schluter All Set for this build. Let's set up this quick can. If you do not have a quick can, I highly recommend this just for your debris. Portable trash can. Let's show you how to set it up. All right, guys, so we got the Rockstar blade on. We really love this blade by RTC Russo Trading Company. It does really well. It performs well. The diamonds last quite a bit. It's an awesome tile saw blade, but what we're doing here is simple. We need to fur this out so that we can lay our tile on top of the fence here. Easy way to do that, 1/2-inch foam board. When you rip big tiles like this, it makes your life easy.